In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a Facebook video. You probably came across a Facebook video and you want to download it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, when you scroll down and locate the particular video that you want to download, in this case, I'm going to download this one. So all we have to do is to locate the share beneath the video and tap on it. This will pull out a list of menus. Navigate and tap on copy link. After the link has been copied, now you can move out of this Facebook app and locate the browser that you are using. In this case, I'm using the Chrome browser. In the address bar, type google.com. In the search engine, type Facebook video download and pick the one with this basement. So this will pull out a list of search engines. Make sure to pick SnapSafe, then proceed to tap on it. In order for us to download this Facebook video, all we have to do is to tap on this box, then long press it, and then continue to tap on paste. Now the Facebook video link has been pasted. In order for us to download it, all we have to do is to tap on download. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. So we have a list of resolutions associated with this video. So in order for us to download it, we can locate the particular resolution that we want to use, then navigate and tap on download beside it. So a pop-up menu have appeared asking us to choose where to download. If we are certain with all this information, all we have to do is to tap on download. Then you have to exercise a bit of patience and allow it to finish downloading. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded this Facebook video. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.